Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today our topic is types of matrices. First one is row matrix. A matrix is called a row matrix if it has only one row. For example, we have A and having one row. These matrices are known as the row matrix. The second is column matrix. A matrix is called column matrix if it has only one column. For example, 2 and 4 having only one column. That is why we call the column matrix. The third one is a rectangular matrix. A matrix M is called rectangular if the number of row of M is not equal to the number of column. For example, we have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many number of row? There are 2 number of row. And how many number of column? There are 3 number of column. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. The number of row is not equal to the number of column. That is why this matrix are known as the rectangular matrix. Then the square matrix. A matrix is called a square matrix if the number of row is equal to the number of column. For example, if we have V matrix having entries is 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of row is 2 and the number of column is 2. The order is 2 by 2. Number of row is equal to the number of column. That is why this type of matrix are known as the square matrix. Then the null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix is called a null or zero matrix if all the entries of the matrix is equal to 0. For example, here 0, 0, 0 and 0. This type of matrix are known as the null or zero matrix. Sixth one is transpose of matrix. How we take the transpose of matrix? The transpose of matrix is written by AT. How we explain? A matrix is obtained by interchanging the row into the column or column into the row. This type of matrix are known as the transpose of matrix. For example, we have A 1, 2, 3 and 4. How we obtain the transpose? We change the row into the column or column into the row. We written as A T is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 having T is equal to, this one is the row, we convert into column 1, 2, other row we convert into column 3 and 4. Then we say that A transpose is equal to 1, 3, 2 and 4. Next one is the negative of a matrix. For example, we suppose that A be a matrix, then its negative indicated by minus A is obtained by changing the sign of all entries of A. A is -1, 3, 4 and -2. Then the negative A is equal to, we change the sign. Here we have -1, we convert into +1. Here we have the +3, we convert into -3, and +4 we change into -4, and -2 we change into +2. Then we get the negative matrix. A having negative is 1, -3, -4 and 2. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix, the property is the square matrix is a symmetric if it is equal to its transpose, that is, a matrix A is a symmetric if we obtain the transpose which is equal to A. For example, A is equal to 0, 2, 2, 0 and 0, 2. Then we take the transpose 2, 0, 0, 2. A transpose is equal to, change the row into column 2. This one is row, we change into column 2 and 0. Other row change into column. Then this is equal to A. That is why this type of matrix are known as the symmetric matrix. Identity matrix is a diagonal matrix is known as the identity matrix if the diagonal entries is equal to 1. For example, A is 1, 0, 0, 1. The diagonal entries are 1. That is why this type of matrix are known as the identity matrix. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. We written in 3 by 3. A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. This is the matrix of identity having order 3 by 3. The next one is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. For example, if we have A, first of all we take the transpose 0, 2, 3, -2, 0, 1, -3, -1 and 0. Then A transpose is equal to, how we take the transpose? We know that we change the row into column or column into rows. Here I change the row into column 0, 2, 3, -2, 0 and 1, -3, -1 and 0. Then if we take minus common from this matrix, then 0 remains 0, -2 change into positive, -3 change into positive 3 and 2 change into -2 and 0 is neutral and -1 change into positive 1 and 3 change into -3 and 1 change into -1 and 0 remains same. We check this matrix is equal to A. If we take the minus common from this matrix, we write A transpose is equal to minus of A because this matrix is equal to the A matrix. The next one is the diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is called a diagonal matrix if at least one of the diagonal entries is not 0. It means that A is equal to 1, 0, 0 and 0. At least means only one entries is not 0. Here I write 1, then 1 is not 0, rather the all entries are 0. That is why this matrix are known as the diagonal matrix. Next one is the scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is called a scalar matrix if all the diagonal entries are same. That is why these matrices are known as the scalar matrix. For example, we have 4, 0 and 0, 4. these diagonal entries are same. That is why A is known as the scalar matrix. The other example is A is equal to square root of 2, 0, 0 and square root of 2. The diagonal entries are same. That is why A is known as the scalar matrix.